Welcome back to Finance King, your ultimate guide to financial freedom and smart money moves. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most accessible and potentially lucrative online business models, dropshipping. If you're an entrepreneur, a beginner looking for a side hustle, or a job seeker exploring new income streams, this video is for you. We'll break down exactly how to start dropshipping step by step in 2025 and position yourself to make significant money. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on our expert financial insights. Let's unlock your dropshipping potential. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your online store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. In 2025, the landscape is more competitive but also offers advanced tools and automation. Success hinges on smart niche selection, reliable suppliers, and effective marketing. It's a business that requires dedication but offers immense flexibility and scalability. The foundation of a successful dropshipping business is choosing the right niche. Don't just pick what's popular, look for evergreen products with consistent demand or trending items with high profit margins. Consider products that solve a problem or cater to a passionate hobby. Utilize tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media platforms to identify market gaps and emerging interests. Focus on a specific audience to tailor your marketing efforts effectively. A narrow, well-researched niche often outperforms a broad, generic store. Your supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. Look for partners with a proven track record of quality products, fast shipping times, and excellent communication. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and Doba are popular starting points, but always vet them thoroughly. Order samples to personally assess product quality and shipping speed before committing. Clear communication with your supplier about inventory levels and potential issues is crucial. A strong supplier relationship ensures customer satisfaction and repeat business. Your online store is your storefront to the world. Choose a user-friendly e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms offer templates and tools to create a professional-looking store without extensive technical knowledge. Focus on a clean design, high-quality product images, and compelling product descriptions. Ensure your store is mobile responsive and easy to navigate. Include essential pages like an About Us, contact, shipping policy, and refund policy to build trust. Even the best products won't sell themselves. A robust marketing strategy is essential to drive traffic to your store. Consider a mix of paid advertising and organic growth methods. Facebook and Instagram ads are powerful for targeting specific demographics. Google Ads can capture intent-based searches. For organic growth, leverage search engine optimization, content marketing through a blog, and engaging social media presence. Build an email list from day one. Once sales start rolling in, efficient order fulfillment and exceptional customer service become paramount. Most dropshipping platforms offer integrations to automate order processing with your suppliers. This streamlines operations and reduces manual errors. Be proactive in communicating shipping updates and tracking information to your customers. Respond promptly and professionally to all inquiries, whether they are about product details, shipping, or returns. Positive customer experiences lead to loyalty and referrals. Dropshipping is an iterative process of learning and improvement. Continuously analyze your sales data, website traffic, and marketing campaign performance. Identify what's working and what isn't. Test new products, experiment with different ad creatives, and optimize your website for better conversion rates. Consider expanding into new niches or offering complementary products. Reinvesting profits back into your business is key to sustainable growth and scaling your income. Starting a dropshipping business in 2025 offers incredible potential for financial independence. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and a strategic approach. By following these steps, you're laying a solid foundation for success. Remember, consistency and adaptability are your greatest assets. The market evolves, and so should your strategies. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with aspiring entrepreneurs, and let us know your biggest dropshipping questions in the comments below. We're here to help you on your journey to becoming a true finance king.